Hi guys, today I am going to try these Ardell seamless under lash extensions. It's kind of the whole kit, so you can like put it on like cluster lashes. So let's dive in. Comes with a instruction kit, I think. Easy application. Start with clean lashes. Don't apply mascara. For best results, curl lashes before. Good to know. Grab my curler. Apply a light coat to the bond of the base. Don't get it all the way to the lash tips. Do one section at a time. Apply under the base of your natural lashes, away from the waterline. Use applicator to seal lashes, then put a thin coat of seal. And then it says daily maintenance, do not get lashes wet for 24 hours. Good to know. Here's me curling my lashes, which I probably haven't done since like middle school, so I probably am not doing this right. Okay, got them curled. Since it's my first time, it does have 10 millimeter, 12, 14, 16, and I don't know what these are. But I'm gonna go for a more natural just because I don't really wear lashes on the daily or makeup daily. So I'm gonna do some 10s and some 12s on the outside to give it a little more of an open look cat eye. So here we go. Okay, this kit comes with the bond, the seal, the applicator, and the remover. Of course, and the lashes. And I got this at Ulta. All right, so we have the bond. Okay, I like what I'm seeing so far. I think it's important to really not go to the tips because I did that and it made it really hard for them to sit without this tool sticking, which is now it's all sticky because I got that stuff on it. So don't do that, guys. Learn from my mistake. Okay, now I'm going in with the 12s. Okay. Trying to decide if I have enough room for one more. Or I'll do a half of one. Because it's ripped anyways. Okay. Although this one's a 10, I'm just doing it because I already ripped it. And then when I get better at these, I'll do another one. This is legit first time using it, so I wanted to be honest. Obviously, my method is not where it needs to be. Okay, we're gonna redo the bond on that last bit. Keep opening this upside down. Okay, try again, and I don't want my bottom lashes in there. Okay, look at this. This is not like eyelash extension application at all. I don't understand why this won't come off. Okay, I got it. It's not the best placement, but it's on there. Okay, so now you put this seal on this side. And try not to rip off what you just did. Okay, so then we pinch them together, I guess. Okay, so here's my no. I'll get really close for you. And this one, I will admit my placement kind of sucks on this. It's definitely gonna be a learning curve, but I do like how natural they look. Honestly, they were kind of hard to put on, so I'm thinking strip lashes will just be easier for like actual makeup days, but these aren't bad for like days where I don't plan on wearing makeup for, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 days, and I can still feel pretty when I wake up. They definitely don't look like lash extensions, they just look like natural lashes, which is nice. So yeah, let me do the other side. Okay, so here's the end result. I will say my right eye was so much easier. I don't know if it's right-handed or if my left eye is just really misshaped and it's got weird eyelashes. Yeah. If you look like really close, definitely terrible placement on this eye, so don't know if that'll last. But this one's nice. I like this. All right, well, here we go.